problem where Excel shows errors were detected while saving. Are you also facing this issue where Excel refuses to save your file and keeps showing this message? This happens when a file gets corrupted, the format is not supported, or Excel is blocked by add-ins or sync apps. Most YouTube and Facebook solutions are confusing, with long steps that don't really help. When I faced this same problem, I fixed it using a simple method that I'm going to share from my own experience here on Rexish. First, try saving the file with a new name or an XLSX format. If that doesn't work, turn off all Excel add-ins, because a broken add-in can stop the saving process. Also move the file out of OneDrive or Google Drive and save it on your desktop, because sync issues often cause this error. You can also copy all the data into a brand new Excel file to remove hidden corruption. These easy tricks have helped many people fix the error. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, just comment and I'll make it for you.